Hello everyone, this is the Bohemian Dreamer. Hope you are doing well. Today I want to again unbox the Paperquarks stationery box, and this time I had a request from one of you guys to show how I am actually ordering from Paperquarks. So stay tuned till the end of the video where I am going to show you the overall process, how to order and everything, like how you can pay. Everything I will show you there. For now I am going to unbox their January box, which was the patterns box, and if you don't know, they included less item in there, but they have a really good quality of items and everyone is hyped about that, me as well. So I don't want to waste another minute. Let's get into the unboxing. This is the box, as you can see. Let's open up. This month's theme is patterns and it is written over the box in a beautiful pattern. First thing when you open up is this card, which is having all the contents list of the box and also a little bit of description about them. Next thing you get is this awesome greeting card. I can feel the texture and it's absolutely beautiful. Just a small minimalistic design that you will see in the front and in between as well. And then a customary note. This just feels more personal, you know. Next we have lots of paper noodles. Let's get them to a side. Next we have this beautifully designed leaf patterned label pin. Next we have a set of 5 fine pens. This is water based, so they are not going to seep through the pages, and that is why I am going to use them to write on my journal and as well as the planner that they have sent us. Then we have this to-do list, or you can say notepad. This is just a simple notepad, but the pattern is again so beautiful. And it's a thick one. I always need notepads, just to scribble through whatever I want to do. In the morning I get up and I need to have a notepad with me. Then we have a beautiful undated planner, and I have to open this up to show it to you because they have designed this one with so much care, and we have just received so many beautiful sneak peeks about this one that I myself even want to just go through the pages and see what is in store. The feeling here is a velvety one. This is an undated planner, so don't worry about just missing some days of January or something. I am going to post a reel with all the pages in here and how I am styling them, and how you can also style your planner. So if you are still not following me, please follow me on Instagram and we can chat there. Next we have a set of stamps. These are really cool. Look at it closely. This is showing your reading list, and you can use it for your library or your planner. We do have a library at our home, so I am planning to totally use this one for that. And also if you are into Bookstagram, this is going to make a fine prop. So that was it, and now let me show you how I actually ordered from Paperquarks. First, go to their Instagram page or their Facebook page, whichever you prefer. Here I am going to their Instagram page. In their page, you can scroll downwards or look for the recent theme they are going on. So for the month of December, it was patterns. And then there will be a shop link in their bio. Click on that link and you will be prompted to this page. Go to home and then go to menu and then go to my account to see if you are logged in. If not, please log into your account or create your new account. Now go to home and select the box that you want. Go to your cart, add any coupon code that you might have or that they might have provided in their pages. Enter that coupon and click on proceed to checkout. You will come to a review page where you can see your order, and there you can click on place order. Select your preferred payment method and click on pay the amount. Pay the amount and then it will prompt you to the page where it will show that your order has been received after successful payment. That's it, your order has been placed. I hope that was helpful for you all. If you are ordering from Paperquarks to know about their recent themes and what they are showing and what they are getting you in that month, you can follow their Instagram page, and they actually publish lots of sneak peeks in those pages. And also, if you are not yet following me on Instagram, do follow me, because any reviews, any journaling tips I have, any book reviews, anything that I usually post on Instagram, I usually post there every day. I try to. So please follow me on Instagram if you are not yet doing that, and please stay with this channel as well. Let me know what you are thinking of this video, and also if this is helpful, please share it with your friends and family, and like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so you never miss another video from us. With that, I will log off today. You also please take care and don't stop dreaming. Bye.